fishing, I really can't wait. Catch a big fish, cause he got the right bait. Wake up in the morning, grab old cane pole, walk on down the road to the old fishing hole. I'm going fishing, we're going fishing, we're all going fishing down at the fishing hole. I throw out my line as far as I can, catch the big fish to fry it up in a pan. As people pass by, they're all gonna look to see that big fish on the end of my hook. I'm going fishing, we're going fishing, we're all going fishing down at the fishing hole.